Hi guys, today I'm covering section 3 of the official SAT practice test 1. My goal is not to show you all the tricks and tips, my goal is to do this test as fast as I can. Normally you're given 25 minutes for this section, but I will do it much faster. If you would like to learn all the tricks and tips and get detailed solutions to ace the math section on your SAT, please click the link in the video description below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. So let's do this. Alright, first one. If x minus 1 over 3 is equal to k is equal to 3, what's the value of x? Okay, good. So x minus 1 over 3, plug it in immediately. X minus 1 is equal to 9, x is equal to 10. The answer is D. Next, if this, so here we just need to simplify it. So it's minus 1 plus 12i a. Next, on Saturday afternoon, Arman sent M text messages for each hour 5 hours, so 5m, and Tyrone sent P messages for each hour, so plus 4p. C. Next, Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of it is this. P. Okay, good. P is the number of phones left, and yeah, so this is each week. All right, so D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? So 108 is basically where she starts with. So B, Kathy starts each week with boom. Next, alright, so in this one, let's just simplify it. So x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared plus x squared y minus 3xy squared plus 3y squared. Cancel the 3y squared. We have the common term 2x squared y plus 2x y squared c. Here, pediatrician, so that's a formula, use the model. So h of a boy is the height between ages 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of a boy's height each year? So this slope is 3a. Next, alright, so to many of you this will sound like a very complicated problem. Okay, which is the following gives p in terms of, alright, cool. So I'll just do m is equal to b over a times p. So therefore p is equal to m times a over b. Now this guy's b, this guy's a. So the answer is B. Next, if a over b is equal to 2, what is the value? Okay, so we don't need to solve for a or b. So let's just flip it. So a over b is equal to 2 or 1. Let's just flip it. So b over a is equal to 1/2. Therefore, 4ba is 4 times 1/2. So it's just 2. So it's C. Next, what is the solution xy to the system of equations above here? All right. So what I will do is let me multiply this by 3. So 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 23. Again, I'm trying to solve it as fast as I can. Not revealing the tricks yet. Alright, plus that's 10y equals negative 80. So y is equal to negative 8b. Next. Okay, the function g of 4 is equal to 8. What is g of negative 4? Alright, so g of 4 is equal to 16a plus 24 is equal to 8. We don't need to solve for a. G of negative 4 is also equal to negative 4 squared a plus 24. So the same thing as 8. Same. Boom. Alright, so in the equation above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken X weeks later, blah, blah, blah. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price of pound of chicken? Alright, so we need to set them equal to each other. 2.35 plus 0.25x equal 1.75 plus 0.40x. Move this here, so that's 0.6 equals 0.15x. X is equal to 4. It's not over. Let's plug it in. Where? Let's plug into the B. So B is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4. That's equal to 3.35. D. Next. A line pass through the origin and has a slope. All right, so y minus 0 equals 1 over 7x minus 0. So our equation is 1 is equal to blah, blah. And we need to find the points. Look at the answers, guys. So 7y is equal to x. So which one qualifies? Not A, B, nope, C, nope, and D. Next. Okay, which of the following is equivalent? All right, let's simplify. Let's simplify the bottom first. 1 over x plus 2. I actually going to show them the trick right now, the butterfly method. So that's 2x plus 5 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now, 1 is over that. So, and this is 2x plus 5. So 1 is over that. So it's x squared plus 5x plus 6 all over 2x plus 5b. 14, almost done. Okay, if 3x minus y is equal to what is, okay, so in these problems, just get the common base, guys. Just get the common base. So 2 to the power of 3x, right? Because that's 2 to the 3. All right, so now subtraction, and 3x minus y is equal to 12, so that's 2 to the 12a. Next, if ax, okay, for all the values, what are the two possible values for c? Let's expand this bad boy. So we got abx squared plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14. Now this guy has supposed to be equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14, so these guys get cancelled. We know here that ab is equal to 15. We are also given that a plus b is equal to 8. So let's solve it. So here, well, a is equal to a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. That works. And guys, do not forget vice versa is also true. All right, so now we need to find c. So we have from here that 7a plus 2b is equal to c. So for that one in particular, we got c equals 7 times 5, 35, plus 2, blah, blah, blah. So that's 41. So chances is d. Let me just double check. For that guy right here, that's equal to 7 times, so 21 plus 10, that's 31d. Yes, next. Okay, t is greater than 0, t squared minus 4 is equal to 0. What's the value of t? Easy. T is equal to plus or minus 2, but t is greater than 0, so t is equal to 2. Next. All right, so here we got length represented by AB. All right, so AB is 1800. All right, EB is 1400. All right, 700 is BD. All right, and CD is 800. All right, similar triangles, these two angles, so they're similar. All right, so the coefficient of similarity here is 1 to 2, so therefore this guy is just 1600. Next, because it's 800 times 2. Next, according to the system equation, what is the value of x? All right, what I would do right here is let me actually rewrite x plus 2y is equal to negative 25, x plus y is equal to minus 9, minus, so we get y is equal to negative 16, is it? Yes. And then let's plug it into the first one. So x minus 16 is equal to minus 9, so x is equal to positive 7. Almost done. In the right angle, one angle measures x, where sine of x is 4/5. What is cosine? Same thing, guys. Do not solve it. It's the same exact thing. Last one. A is equal to 5 root 2, 2a is equal to 2 root 2x. What is the value of x? Good. So, all right, so I'm going to do 2a, so that's 10 root 2 is equal to root of 2x. So 10 root 2 is equal to root 2 root x. Cancel that. So root x equal 10. X equals 100. And we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Again, my goal was not to show you all the tricks and tips. I skipped so many steps throughout these solutions. My goal was just to do this test as fast as I can so you can see, if you have the tricks and tips, how exactly fast it can be done. If you would like to learn all the tricks and tips and get detailed solutions to ace the math section on your SAT, please click the link in the video description below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you. Bye.